Are you interested in attending the first virtual conference on bio and nanomaterials for tissue engineering and regenerative medicine? Great! Each Monday of March, we'll have different topics that will be presented and discussed in our plenary lectures and workshops. You can join any number of sessions depending on your interests. The BioNTERM online conference has 4 different stages. First, you can register for free until February 20th at www.biointerm.com, where you can choose what sessions to attend and tell us if you want to participate in sharing your research work via Twitter. If you choose to participate on Twitter, then the next step will be to post your video presentation on Twitter 1 week before the workshop you choose. Be ready to interact with your audience. Then, in the next stage, the most voted videos and those with higher interaction will be invited to present at assigned times during workshops 2 to 5. From there, the top 4 posters, 1 from each week, will be awarded. Also, certificates of attendance will be issued to those attending 2 or more sessions. Note that for having access to the workshops, attendance to the corresponding conference is mandatory. Learn more at www.biointerm.com.